right, guys and gals, quite a few names on the watch list today that we're going to want to watch. PCG, Papa Charlie Golf, is going to be probably a screamer. They're getting up to 7.4 billion of financing commitments from backstop parties as part of its revised Chapter 11 bankruptcy report. The 50-day moving average on PCG, I believe, is $8.36. We'll have to wait and see actually how that opens, because as soon as the opening bell hits, it's going to transition. I have a swing play available, but if that's our upside, which has historically recently been the key level of resistance, it's not worth the risk. All right, ACTG early pop.
All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
ACTG early pop. Let's see if there's any follow through here.